Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make dry meringue. Start by gathering your ingredients and equipment. Room temperature egg whites whip up with more volume, so plan ahead. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are impeccably clean and free of any grease, as even a tiny bit can prevent your meringue from forming properly. Granulated sugar and a touch of cream of tartar are also essential for a perfect, stable meringue. Begin by whipping your egg whites on medium speed until they reach the soft peak stage. This means they hold their shape but the tip curls over. Then, slowly add your granulated sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to whip. This gradual addition helps the sugar dissolve and creates a smooth, stable meringue. Once your meringue is stiff and glossy, it's time to shape it. You can use a piping bag for decorative shapes or simply spoon dollops onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake your meringues at a very low temperature, typically around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This slow baking process dries them out rather than browning them, ensuring a crisp texture. After baking, turn off your oven and leave the meringues inside to cool completely. This prevents them from cracking and helps them dry out further. It can take several hours, or even overnight, for them to cool fully. Once completely cool, store your dry meringues in an airtight container at room temperature. This protects them from moisture and keeps them wonderfully crisp for enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.